Hey guys, welcome to Octocoder. Every website needs a login form, but not every login form makes you feel something. You don't just want users to sign in. You want them to experience your design from the very first click. This isn't just a login form, it's the gold standard of UI design. A glowing gold UI, smooth animations, and built entirely with pure React.js. Whether you are building your portfolio, a product, or just want to impress your team, this design sets the gold standard. And in this video, we are building it from scratch, step by step. So grab your keyboard and let's bring this beautiful login form to life. Alright, before we dive into building the UI, let me quickly walk you through the folder structure. We are going to keep things clean and simple. First, inside your src folder, create a components folder. This is where our oclogin.js component will live. Next, create an assets folder. That's where you can store any images, like logos. In my case, I have added the OC logo inside the assets folder. Everything else should already be set up from your React app. So make sure your folder structure look like this before we begin. Now let's connect this to our app. Open your app.js file, clear out any default code from the template and import the oclogin component from components oclogin. If your autosuggest not working, so please make sure to give correct path, okay? Then update your app function to return the oclogin component. Save it, and just to confirm everything's working, let's write a simple line inside oclogin.js. Replace everything with heading, "Hi guys." Make sure hit the subscribe button. Hit save and let's check the browser. And boom, there it is. If you see this heading, you are all set and ready to go. So while we are here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Let's move on to building the gold standard login form. Alright, now let's build out the main login form component. Inside oclogin.js, first we'll add a div with the class name login box. Don't worry about the styling just yet. We'll handle the CSS after setting the form structure. Inside this div tag, we add an h2 tag, and inside that we place our Octocoder logo image. So image tag src. Now instead of hard coding the image path in the src, I'm going to import it at the top of the file here like this. Import logo from our image is inside assets folder, so make sure to give correct path here, okay? This keeps things clean and makes it easy to manage assets. Then here inside the image tag, we just reference the logo variable. Save it and let's check the browser. Whoa, the image looks so huge, but don't worry, we haven't written any CSS yet. Once we do, it will scale down properly, okay? Next up, we add a form using the form tag. Inside the form, we first build username and password input fields. So we'll wrap each input inside a div with the class name user box, okay? Then input type text. The required attribute ensures that the form won't submit if it's left empty. The magic here is the floating label username. When the user starts typing, the label moves up smoothly. Is handled by CSS using sibling selector and the focus text. Now we'll repeat the same structure for the password field. Just copy this code from div tag, okay, and paste it below. Now change the input type to password and update label to say password, okay? Now let's create the login button. We'll use an anchor tag with href set to hash for now and login. But here's the cool part. Inside the anchor tag, we add 4 empty span elements. These 4 spans are used to create glowing animated border around the button using CSS keyframe animations. Each span moves across the edges of the button, and when you hover it, boom, golden glowing edges animated in a loop, giving it a futuristic premium look. Alright, our form structure is complete. Save the file. Let's check the output. And we have username and password fields, also login button. Great. Now comes the fun part. All we just need to do is decorate this form, making it look beautiful with CSS. We'll do this in the oclogin.css file. I won't go deep into explaining every CSS rule, but you can watch what I apply as I go. I'll fast forward this part, so feel free to pause and copy the styles if needed. Alright, we're done writing the CSS. Don't forget to import your CSS file at the top of your oclogin.jsx file here like this, okay? Save the both files and let's see the result. Oh my god, just look at this design. Golden glowing input fields, smooth floating labels, and that animated login button. It all just feels premium. Honestly, this could easily be part of modern products landing page, and we built it with just pure React and CSS. This looks great. Comment down if you like this design. And in the next video, we are going to take this design even further by converting it into fully responsive Tailwind CSS. But for now, take a moment to appreciate what you have built, a glowing gold standard login form made from scratch with pure React and CSS. If this video helped you, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to Octocoder for more modern UI and coding tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.